So, good afternoon, ma'am. So, I'm a student from MMG College of General Santos City. So, taking up Bachelor of Science in Social Work. So, here I am to conduct a study about HIV and AIDS recommendations. No? So, the first interview question. So, how do you think young people can protect themselves and their peers from HIV or AIDS transmission?
So, I think young people can protect themselves from HIV or AIDS through use of contraceptives and to
Can you describe any situations or behaviors you believe could increase someone's risk of contracting HIV or AIDS?
I think intercourse without using contraceptives.
In your opinion, what are some of the biggest challenges young people face in accessing HIV or AIDS?
Siguro judgments ang tao. Kaya maulaw naman sila sa judgment. Maulaw sila nga, ingnan sila ay nga hugaw, ano.
What do you think are some common misconceptions or myths about HIV or AIDS among young people? How can we address and correct these misconceptions?
I think the misconception or myths about HIV is kanang hugaw ang pananaw sang tao pag may ara kay HIV, tapos pag may HIV ka always ka naga-sexy na. So ma-change mo ni through ipaintindi sa tao nga not all may HIV kay hugaw.
So, mga taman, so dagang kayo salamat. So, thank you.